Welcome to my YouTube channel WakeupBabu. Friends, today I came to take forward of my spoken English class, but today I'll not teach you any lesson of English spoken class. I'll just discuss about the importance of English. As we know very well that English is very important at present time, because we are living in modern era, scientific era and online era, and everybody is using English language. And if we want to communicate with the whole world, then we have to learn English, we have to know English. And for a student point of view, English spoken is also important, because if you want to take further education, higher education, then all books and all syllabus are available in English. If we want to get a job, then we have to face the interview session, and in interview interviewer asks the question in English. They test your English spoken skill. If you're not able, then they will not provide you a job. So it is also important. And why the government is running a skill development program in central level, and in a state level government is running a skill development program. Why? Because a skill is very important. And what comes in a skill? Three things comes in a skill: English spoken, computer knowledge and personality. If we improve these three things, then we can become a skillful person, and we become able to get a job. If we not become a skillful person, then the company will not provide us a job. And what is the reason that the villager, the rural areas youth are not getting job? They are well qualified, but companies do not provide the job. Why? Because they are skillless. They don't know, they have not communication skill, they have not personality, they have not computer knowledge. That's why. So we want to get job, we want to secure our future, and of course we want to secure our future. That's why we are studying. So we have to work on this sector, that we have to become a skillful person. To becoming a skillful, we have to learn English spoken. It means we have to get knowledge of English, and it means we have to improve our communication skill. And why and how our communication will be improved when we will use English, when we will use English language, because English is a global language, international language. If I want to develop myself, then I have to use English language, I have to speak English language. And for common man, English language is also important, because if you speak English language, if you use English language, then people give respect you, they will attract you, and they impress you. So for the common man, English is also important, because suppose that you don't want any job, but for you, why English is important? Because to surviving a respectful life. If you don't know English, then people will not give you respect. So for those person who is common man, English is also important. And you know that this era is scientific online era. It means we are connected to the machine. And you know what is the language of machine? English. Machine understand English language, and the settings and all features of machine is available in English language. And you know also the different types, different apps comes every day in our daily life. So to use properly those apps which is coming day by day, we have to know English, because the feature and the settings and the rule and condition, all things are available in English. And we are in this era, we are connected with the social media. We are connected with the social media closely. And today I can say that the news platform, social media is the news platform, and everybody using social media. So to using social media properly, you have to also know English, because people tweet, and everybody tweets and post in English language, they comment in English. And you know that the big celebrity and the very famous person of this world and country also also use English. Suppose that I am the big fan of Virat Kohli and Shah Rukh Khan and Rahul Gandhi, Narendra Modi, but I don't know English. Then how can we know the thought of Narendra Modi, and thought of Rahul Gandhi, thought of Shah Rukh Khan? Shah Rukh Khan gave an interview yesterday, but I don't know English. That's why I could not know what Shah Rukh Khan said yesterday. Rahul Gandhi given the speech yesterday, but I could not understand. Why? Because I don't know their language. I don't know their language. These are the high profile person, these are the celebrity person, and I am the common man. That's why I don't know their language. So I'm just telling that if we also want to become a celebrity, if you also want to become a high profile person, we don't want to stay priceless person, then we have to also change ourselves, and we have to learn English. Suppose that I want to go abroad for earning money, but I don't know English language. Then how can we survive there? How can we communicate there? Because their people will speak English, and if they do not speak English, then they will speak their language. On that time I will not be able to understand their language. So what is the solution? That English is solution. You know English and you communicate with the whole world. Suppose that I am Bihari, and I have to live in Kerala, I have to live in Tamil Nadu, but I don't know English. Then how can we communicate? How can I survive? So in this various point of view, and in this importance, I can say that English is very important, and everyone should realize that English is very, very important. And I hope that you guys realized every day, because we have to face many types of problem. If we don't know English, then we will be insulted in every day of our life. So I would suggest you, please join your nearest spoken English class and improve your English spoken skill. And if any person who is nearest to me, please join my spoken English class, because I also run English spoken class. My institute name is WakeupBabu. WakeupBabu English spoken class in Musri Gharari, Samastipur, Bihar. Please join my WakeupBabu English spoken class. Within 90 days I'll make you a speaker with 100% guarantee. And if those guys who is not nearest to me, please join your nearest class, your nearest spoken English class, and improve yourself, because it is important. You can't ignore it. So it is very important. And you also know that where there is a will, there is a way. So please start from now and improve your English spoken skill. That's all. Thank you. See you in the next class with the new lesson of English spoken. That's all. Thank you guys. Please like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel WakeupBabu. It will encourage me. That's all.